I might switch to soldier. We'll see.
Yep. And John, if you could also just kind of be cognizant as to whether yours is working.
Yep.
They're coming up the right stairwell.
Okay. There's a lot of them coming up the gut.
I got a shot on Hanzo.
They're going up high.
Oh, jeez. Just got charged up on. Zenyatta. Zenyatta got rezzed.
They have a Sombra in our back line.
I'll try and solve that.
Oh, I got sniped.
Dang it, she's one. Sombra's one in the back.
James, back up.
They're running.
Dang it! Everyone is getting healed constantly.
Oh my gosh, I keep getting sniped.
Shoot. Okay, what do we need to change?
Crap.
Hanzo just got rezzed.
Okay, James, ready to jump onto the point?
Yep,
I'm
already
hacked.
here.
Oh, jeez.
Hanzo
Got
down.
Storm arrow in the
I
face.
need help.
Okay, we guys are gonna have to.
Mercy's hit behind.
Gosh, dang it.
What the heck? My life expectancy is like 2 seconds.
Zenyatta is like hitting all of his charged shots on me.
Definitely good.
Yep. Okay. Let's.
The second I walk out of the freaking spawn, I get headshot by Hanzo.
Oh,
Good, man.
Sorry.
Sombra coming around the back.
Yeah, Summer's coming around left side.
She's got an EMP too.
Alright, let's... She used it right before the last point.
Did she? Okay.
What?
Zarya.
I'm hacked. I need help.
Got Sombra. Sombra's down.
Thank you.
Burn their shield down. Alright, Reinhardt. Get Ryan. Alright, we got him.
Ryan's down.
Get Mercy. Oh no! Shiz. I didn't get the Mercy.
Oh, come back, James. Okay. Watch behind us,
Chase her.
Sombra.
Chase her.
There's a freaking Zarya back
down.
here behind us.
It's alright.
Sorry, down.
We're good.
Yeah.
We're good.
Alright, I have a soldier ult.
I have a Junkrat.
I'll try and get up on the
Hide
high
out up
ground.
here.
Holy crap, I just died. Oh my gosh.
Looks like they were just blasted. You are advised to move behind.
There's gonna be an Earth Shatter coming.
That was a little early. Sorry. Oops. This Tracer, right side.
Oh, I'm down.
Alright, Tracer down.
So down, yep.
Reinhardt. Zarya. Alright, got her. Zenyatta.
Got him.
Now get the Mercy. Never mind, she's flying around in the above. Right,
Got the Tracer.
Hanzo. Freaking Hanzo. Headshot, both.
Hanzo down. Mercy has Discord.
Please move behind the barrel. damage output increased.
All right, they're gonna go for another Zarya wombo
Yeah,
combo.
we want to spread out a bit.
Yeah, and I don't have anything to protect us against the wombo combo.
This will be your shield.
Trace, you guys, Tracer coming around the back?
Back left.
Yep.
Yes. You guys help with the Ryan?
Right, sorry, I won. She's getting healed.
Crap him down.
Rhine down, Rhine down.
Tracer got two.
two of us.
Tracer got two.
In the back.
The Ryan is res. The Ryan was res.
Zen down.
That's it.
Not for long, I take it.
I'm down.
Burn every ult you got.
Do you know Mercy?
Yep.
Would
You rather I mercy?
Yeah. All right, come left. So you guys, we're gonna speed around this corner, try to get to the mega health pack. Okay.
Okay, we
Ready
gotta
for
get moving.
ready for speed? Okay, speed now.
Yep,
go. Keep coming.
Teleporter's up.
Okay, teleport's up. Get to the high ground. So there's a Mercy gonna be coming behind us.
He's behind us, behind us.
Crap, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. Thank you so much. Was that
You're
Ben?
welcome.
That was amazing.
Another teleporter on the.
Oh, I'm down.
Mercy's two. Mercy's one. Mercy's down. I need a.
I'm almost back.
I need a top off.
Got her.
Nice,
That
guys.
teleporter was amazing, man. I was jumping
Yeah, it
back and
was.
forth in it, and like Hanzo tried to kill him, and I was just like, boop, high ground, shoot somebody else.
That was awesome, guys. TP, everyone, TP it up. Well, it's pointless. We need to take the payload. Never mind, just TP
Yeah,
up.
that's right.
You guys, screw that. Screw that. Let's everyone come with me. Screw the payload. Come with me.
I don't know
Up
if
top.
you're joking or not.
I'm serious.
I'll push for a little bit. They're all up here in
Let's
front
win
of the
the team
payload.
fight and then go back for it.
I'm down.
Mercy down.
Can we res? Can we get a res?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm down.
Tracer down.
Oh, thank you.
You guys, help me on the payload.
Hanzo
Help me on the
down.
payload. Help me on the payload.
Dang it.
Oh, this is fine. This is fine.
Yeah, we're fine. We've got a lot of ults too.
I still have
Tracer's
Speed.
coming in on you.
You are advised to move behind my barrier.
Ty, are you still talking? Ty, are you there?
I went down.
I'm muted.
Sure why
Sorry,
he's not talking.
I've been talking. I'm just muted.
Can I get res?
No, I think this fight's over. I think this fight's gonna be over.
Get out. Get
Yeah,
out.
fight's over. Get out, die, do whatever you need to.
I still have a
Jeez,
job.
screw this freaking tracer.
So let's switch off of. Let's get a Brigitte with a Tracer. Who knows how to play Brigitte? What-
We have
I
five
can play
ults.
Brigitte, but
I can
I've got
Brigitte.
a
Connivan's
sound
got
barrier.
a good Brigitte.
We're gonna
but
use the
let him
sound.
use his ult first.
Yeah, let's use the sound
Okay,
barrier
let's
here.
engage with this. Ready?
You guys, yep, you guys with me?
Guys ready?
Now, yep.
Yep.
I need a lot of health. Okay, on the point. Get on point.
Down. Hanzo high ground.
Take the teleporter up. Oh, wait, where did it take me?
It dropped off.
Hanzo down.
Hey, can you TP us up to the top right?
What's up?
Go, go.
The 2 tanks are on the high ground. They're fairly low on health.
Oh gosh, I went right into a battle and died. That TP scared. Dropped me over the edge.
Tracer's 1. I love it, I love it. Give him hell.
Brigida.
Teleporter to the high
Got
ground.
the Mercy.
On the payload.
It's down. It's down.
Her shield's down.
We got her.
Okay, what ults do we have?
Where's it?
Got a Mercy ult.
You guys.
Burn the shield.
Got the Junkrat.
Okay, that got me.
Oh,
Alright, it's over, it's
man.
over. No, no ults, no ults. It's fine.
I'll have a sound barrier here soon.
I think I'll probably have an ult in this next fight.
I will too.
I
You
know
guys,
I couldn't
let's
get
go around
out,
the back. Lucio, speed us around the back.
very least.
The whole team.
Hold up,
Where?
I'm coming
Left
in.
side.
Right
Left
side.
side, right?
Right side.
Through here?
No, right side.
Oh, I
Or-
see.
Okay, you ready,
Oh, I
John?
see.
Yep, I'm here.
Yep.
Okay, let's go, let's
They
go,
have a
let's
Genji
go.
now.
I'm down.
I need heals.
I'm also down.
Alright. No more, no ults, no
Healers
ults.
are down.
Yeah, no ult.
Okay, I got my ult though.
Me too.
We've got
Alright, we have
6
6
ults.
ults.
Oh my goodness, that was
Well-
perfect for Winston there.
They're gonna have.
We just need to walk.
Yeah,
let's go left now. Let's go left.
Let's go left.
Yeah, let's,
we need to
let's
get
go
on the
left.
point.
Let's initiate with the
The sound barrier.
no, with the wall shield, major wall shield. We can sound barrier if we need to, but
Oh, okay.
connivance. Yep.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Ahead.
Genji. Alright,
Got him.
get the monkey. I'm gonna go
No.
stuff them in their entrance.
Spread out there. Watch out for that.
Ryan's low.
Push in.
Ah, yeah, baby.
That was nice, Ty. That was very nice, Ty.
Good job.
Sheesh.
I think somebody
Got
healed me on that one.
Okay, wait for the speed. We're gonna speed around the choke to get up the stairs, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Alright, come in. Come in, follow me to the right.
There's Farah there.
Then we're gonna drop down the stairs right here. Okay, ready?
Genji's behind us.
Going down.
Come back around. Yep.
Yeah, you guys
All the
keep
way
coming.
around. All
Keep
the
coming.
way.
Come around. Keep coming. You guys all the way to the back.
Get Ryan.
I need lots of help.
We're on you.
Where's the?
Mercy's low.
I'm down.
Focus Ryan.
Mercy.
We can get this.
Thanks for the heal.
Ryan. There's one.
Where's that Pharah?
I have an ult. High ground. I need heals if we can get it.
She's on top.
Okay, you guys, I'm the main tank, so I'm gonna stay with the payload, okay? We have to brawl. We have to be brawly.
I need to get that car.
Bear's
There,
down.
got it.
Car's down.
Assistance requested.
She was just hiding around that corner and I couldn't quite see her.
Hey, so we're gonna want to use our ults, okay? Because we want to win the fights. We don't want to
Yep.
Right.
win the
I'm
second
gonna go
fight.
to the top left. There's Reinhardt right here.
I'm with you.
How about that?
That was good.
Mercy.
Oh,
Got Mercy.
All right, we still
I
have
have
ults,
a
right?
Reaper ult.
Mercy, you're
Yep.
gonna use your ult in the next fight. You guys get to the
Yep.
payload. Get to
Here
the
comes
payload.
Genji.
Hey, get
I
down
need
here,
heals.
guys.
I need heals.
Now,
Saying
Mercy
I'm
ult.
dead, I'm
Mercy
dead.
ult.
I'm dead.
I got
Yeah.
it.
I got him.
I think he just used his Earth Shatter.
Yep,
You
he did.
too. I think your shield blocked it.
You guys, I'm off the point.
I'm dead.
We're still
I'm on it.
going.
Can we get a res? James?
Not yet. I'm coming back. That was the first one that Genji hit.
We're still moving.
Oh man, I got a good spawn.
Yeah, we're perfect.
Alright, I'm here.
No bubble. Get on the
Dang.
point.
I need heal. Crap. Kind of peel. You're gonna have to kind of touch and untouch the point here.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a dance. Use your ults. Burn everything you got. We're in all or nothing mode.
Dang it! I used my ult and they froze me.
I'm dead.
Something, I don't know.
You guys were doing
I'm
awesome.
dead.
Keep going.
May is causing trouble.
Oh, I got it out.
Nice. Stay on the point.
I got.
Dang it, I have an ult if you guys can hold.
Oh.
We stepped off.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Awesome attempt.
Okay, how are we going to do this?
Okay.
Right.
So James, put your wall up as early as you can.
Be careful out there.
I need heals. Thank you.
I'm on you.
Now, James, now. Put your wall up. Don't die. Do not die. Yeah, why was the wall there?
I just missed.
They had already moved in past that spot.
They
Alright,
also
I'm
have...
gonna go for Ryan.
Okay, he's down.
Get Ryan. Alright. Zarya.
Get him, finish him. You guys can get this.
I got him.
I'm down on the point, but oh, nice.
Thanks for the heads up.
Okay, move forward.
All right, let's push forward.
Do we have a Mei still alive?
Yep, I'm still
Yeah, everyone's alive.
Everyone stay here. I want the Mei wall to go right where Conniving is. Everyone back up. The Mei wall is going to come down right here.
Got the Lucio.
Good job.
Did it.
Well done.
Good job, guys.
Ooh, that was a hard-fought game. We did it.
Pwn Ranger.
This is just
Yeah.
free dashes
Oh,
for him,
jeez,
man.
yeah.
It's okay. It's a nice try.
That was unfortunate.
Sorry, I thought we'd be clever.
That got us our 6 ults, and then we
Yeah, right.
rolled them after that.
Wow, 33,000.
Well done.